Hey, it's Clay Trader, and this will be a video chart on ticker symbol CCTL. We will take a look at the 30-minute time frame. Real quick, what do I mean by 30-minute in case maybe you're new to charts? Instead of each one of these candlesticks here representing 1 day's worth of price action, which is what you would normally see, each one represents 30 minutes. So while this here may look like several days worth of time, it's actually just today's price action broken down into 30-minute time slices. I like to do this time frame. I think it does a good job of telling the quote-unquote story of the price, and then just makes mapping out levels of support and resistance a bit easier to see. I don't mean to state the obvious, but I will anyways. Absolutely monster move as far as price action is concerned, and then you factor in the volume over the past couple of days, and biggest volume this chart has had in a while. And especially if you've traded for a while, then you know that as far as 000 stocks are concerned, volume is a crucial component. So good to see that the volume's here. And then, as I already stated in terms of the obviousness, the prices acted nicely with it. So I just want to kind of map out some levels going forward and just kind of pretty much outlay the stair steps that are now in play and that the bulls have been constructing. And with these 000 stocks, it's all about stair steps and building higher bases. So you kind of think about it, the price was down here, wasn't doing much, and then started to show some signs of strength. And after that sign of strength, the bear showed up, pressed it back down. But the key becomes, well, how far did the bears make it when they pushed the price back down? Well, in this case, they only made it as far as right there at 0004. And then we'll return back to kind of the story, and the price once again today made a really nice move. And then the bears showed up once again and pressed the price back down. Same question. Well, how far down did the bears make it at this point in time? Again, looking at where the lows are, you had it where the bears could only get as far down as 0006. And then really before that, you can argue that, well, yeah, and before that, the bears could only get it down as low as 0003, and that would be accurate too. So you take a step back, put on your imagination hat, you look at these as stair steps. It should become very clear if I've done my job right with my illustration skills, that these stair steps are still very clearly going in the upwards direction, and that's the name of the game. That's what truly matters when it comes to these 000 stocks. Yeah, don't get me wrong, breaking levels of resistance is important, but really at the end of the day, top priority is always building those higher bases, because as long as higher bases are being built over time, then when you stop and think about it, well, the price has no other room to go than up, and up is where those resistance levels are broken. So yeah, focus on building higher stair steps, and at that point, it's really just a matter of time of the chart taking care of itself. So we'll see what happens with it next week, but definitely a nice day today and good way to close out the week.
One of the biggest questions that I get is, hey Clay, how do you find the stocks that you trade? So what I've done is put together a free resource guide where I talk about the tools that I use to locate stocks that I find interesting and think may have potential. So if that sounds like something that could add value to you as a trader, then click on the image that is up on the screen right now and I will email you the guide. The guide itself is very short and to the point, and best part, it's completely free. Thanks for watching the video. Let me know if you have any questions.